Hello, everybody. It's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. All right, in this exciting video, guys, we're going to be talking about your videos. All right, 5 easy steps you can do to make your videos better, to make them more seen, to make them get out there more where people actually can see them, to view them. All right. Now, first of all, number one is your thumbnail, all right, guys? You've got to have a great thumbnail, all right? Now, a great thumbnail says, look at me. Look at me. I'm here. Look at me. All right? It's bright. It's concise. It has something to do with the video that you're making, all right? It makes people want to click on it, okay? The thumbnail will draw them in first. All right, because that's the first thing they're going to see. They're going to see that thumbnail before they see your title even. So make sure that you're making high quality thumbnails. All right, high quality thumbnails, guys. All right, thumbnails with your face in them, or maybe someone else's face, works really great. Okay, but if you use someone else's face, make sure you have permission from that person. Okay. All right, we don't want nobody getting mad. Second of all, is your title. All right, you have to have a great title, all right? And it has to do something with what your video is about, all right? If you put in my edited title, more than likely nobody's going to watch that, all right? Make sure that when you do your titles, all right, your title is saying, hey, this video is about this, all right? I got to make a great title for this video, all right? Something that compels you to watch it. Now that's great. Okay, so you've got your great thumbnail. You've got a great title for your video. What's next, Dark? What do we do next to get people to watch our videos? First of all, your thumbnail and your title are great. If nobody can find your video, nobody's going to watch it either, all right? Because if you don't have keywords in your video, the algorithm, YouTube's algorithm, will not know where to put that video, and it will just put it anywhere, usually way in the back, buried underneath tons and tons and tons of other videos. Keywords, all right? Keywords is essential to any great video. You have to tag your videos, guys. You have to tag them. You have to, tags are keywords, okay? There's keywords for your title, there's keywords for your description, and there's keywords in your keywords, your video tags. All right, if you're not tagging your video with keywords, the algorithm won't know where to put your video, and it will put it at the end of the videos. I will not lie, it will. All right, it still may feature it on your home channel. It may feature it to other channels that you are subscribed to. But more than likely, unless people are watching you already, they won't see your great video. All right, so you have to use keywords in order to get into the search engine, YouTube search engine. Tag your channel, tag your videos, tag your title, tag your description. All right, now you're probably thinking, Dark, what do you mean tag your title and description? What I mean by that is make sure that the keywords that you have in your tag section of your video, when you tag your video in the keywords section, make sure that your title has some of them keywords in it, all right? Make sure that your description has keywords in it that you're going to use in your video keywords as well. It helps the algorithm to do its job, all right? You got to remember the algorithm is a computer program. It's a computer program, guys. It's not human. It just takes the information you give it and uses it to help you. And if you're not helping it, it won't help you. All right? Now, I want to see you guys succeed. I really, really, really do. And, you know, with the new guidelines from YouTube, it's going to be harder than ever to do that. All right? It's going to be work, guys. For real. You want to succeed on YouTube, you got to do the work. All right? Great thumbnail, great title, great keywords. What's next? Well, you got to have great content too, guys. You can't just sit there and play on your phone. Nobody wants to watch that. Just being honest. All right? I'm just being honest with you. You have to do repeatable watch content. All right? Videos that you know other people are going to watch over and over again. Videos that made like this one help other people to do better on YouTube. Videos that inspire people to do great things. Videos that teach people how to do things. Videos that show you out in nature. People love those kind of videos. Bushcrafter videos and stuff. I love them. I love watching them. I love people cooking outdoors. I love people making shelters outdoors. Or maybe just camping with their family. Or even by themselves for that matter. Vlogging. Alright? Vlogging, you gotta be great at vlogging. Really, seriously, you do. Vlogging's hard. For real. Vlogging's hard because you have to really be an interesting person to vlog. Alright? That's why I'm not a vlogger. I'm not that interesting to people to just sit and talk to them and keep them inspired like that. Like some of the great vloggers. But that's why I do other things. Alright? Find out what it is that you do best and try to share that with YouTube. Right? Do videos that if you like them, if you can rewatch, if you can sit down and rewatch your video 4 or 5 times and still want to watch it, the more likely other people will too. Alright? Remember, you're going to be your worst critic. If you like it, other people will more likely like it too. So in other words, what I'm saying is just don't throw up anything. You know, throw up what you think other people will want to watch over and over again. That's really going to help your channel grow. Okay? I'm not saying you can't do videos like that. Obviously, it's your YouTube channel. You can do what you want. All right? Have fun on YouTube. That's the first thing you should all be doing is having fun. All right? Don't worry about the money. It'll come. All right? Now, you're going to grow a lot faster if you follow these key steps, these 5 key steps to making great videos and content on your channel. All right? Thumbnail, title, great content, keywords, and channel keywords. Now, we haven't talked about channel keywords. You're probably thinking channel keywords. All right, some of you know about the channel keywords already, all right? And some of you already know about everything I just said. And you guys are golden. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, but for those of you who don't, channel keywords are just like video tags, okay? Now, when I say video tags, I mean video keywords, all right? They will put your channel link out into the search engine, all right? So when people are surfing through different areas of YouTube for things to look up and things to find to watch on YouTube, your channel will pop up in certain places, depending on what keywords you use, of course. And definitely always tag the name of your channel, all right? Your first channel keyword should always be your channel name, all right? And then, you know, for instance, if you do bushcrafting, and anything to do with bushcrafting. If you're a vlogger, it should be vlogging, and anything to do with vlogging. All right, if you do reviews, it should be reviews, and anything to do with that, and so on. That pretty much sums it up for the most part. Now, I'll be doing other videos on keywords, and I'll do another video on channel keywords. I'm going to do one on cards. Check out my tutorials, guys. There's a lot of great information. Some of it's old, and I'm trying to redo it to make it better. But definitely check out my tutorial section. There's lots and lots of great information in there. It's definitely going to help you grow. It's going to help you grow fast. It's going to help you grow steady. It's going to help you get repeated views. It's going to help you do great things on YouTube. And that's what we want. We want you doing great things on YouTube. We want you to succeed. All right? Everybody wants to succeed on YouTube. And part of doing that is knowing what it takes to succeed on YouTube. Knowledge is power, guys. Knowledge is power. So learn what you can about YouTube and use it to help you grow. All right? Now I'm going to try to guide you as much as I can. All right? I don't have all the answers either. I am constantly learning on YouTube. Constantly learning new things. Because I'm in the same struggle as you guys. I'm trying to create a great channel here on YouTube. All right? Well, I hope this video helps you. I hope it helps you understand that there's a lot that needs to be learned about YouTube. All right. Well, if you like this video, be sure to hit the likes button down below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. And I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.